So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab and open the console in incognito window. Let me show you how you have to open. And first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's start. So just open the console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically, but sometimes you need username and password. For that you can check the lab for it. Now wait for the page to open. Here you have to just click on I understand, and if any pop-up comes, just agree and continue. Here just click on I understand. Wait for the page to load. Now if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now from here we have to open a Vertex AI notebook. We'll be creating a notebook. How you have to open? From the here you can see Vertex AI. Just click on the dashboard. Here click on enable all recommended APIs. Just click on it. Okay. So here you have to click on it. Now once it is enabled, it will show again to enable. No need to worry about it. Now open the workbench and let's create the notebook together. Here make sure you are in the notebook section. Okay, you are in the instance section. You are in the instance section. Now come to the task number 1. You can see here is the name present. Make sure to select the name from here and the region and zone as per the lab instruction. Okay, now click on the create new, paste over here. Now for region and zone you have to check the lab instructions. Select as per lab instruction and cross verify always from the lab instruction. Now click on create. It will take some time to get created. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, haven't checked the channel, do check the channel for other skill badges and sheets. Basically here it will be created, and sometimes what happens, we get issues like file is not responding. In such cases we have to just click on it, and on the top you can see click on reset. So do only when you face such kind of issue. Now wait for the Jupyter notebook to create. It will take 2 to 3 minutes, so just wait for it. Now once it is created, you have to click on open Jupyter lab. You can see here just next to the lab task workbench there is an option, so you have to click on it. So just click on it. Now once it's active, just open the Jupyter lab. Now sometimes what happens, you may face issues like kernel not responding or just the page is not opening. So in case, you have to come back to the lab instruction and again open the Jupyter lab like we did. So now wait for the Jupyter lab to open. Once it is open, the interface will look like this, and here basically we have to open the terminal and clone the repository. So where is the repository? I will share this in the description box of this video, but just copy pasting won't work. You have to follow with me along. Now from here in other section, just open the terminal, wait for the terminal to fully load. Now come back to the description box of this video. There you'll find a GitHub section, and here you have to open this URL like this. Now here just paste over here and wait for it to get completed. It will take some time, so wait for it. Meanwhile, you can come to the lab instruction and check the score if you want to check. Otherwise, you can check at the last also. There is no issue. So we have just cloned this repository. Now it's working and you'll get the score without any issue. So now we have to just select TensorFlow 2-11 as kernel. Unlike previously where we were selecting Python 3 as kernel. Now all files have been loaded. Now open the file like this. Click on courses. Now from here open machine learning, deep dive 2. Then here you have to just open the computer vision folder, and then from here labs, and you have to just cross verify the model file name, because here are multiple file names. To check from the lab instruction, it is NNN and DNN. Just open it. Basically this file will be executing, but don't execute right now because I have made a guide for it. So now just click on select and just close it. Now don't use this terminal. Again open a fresh terminal like this. Wait for a few more seconds. Now come to the description box again, open the same repo and run the second command now. Okay, now it will execute within seconds, but you need to wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds and then execute. Basically open that file and then execute the commands. So now open it. It will take some time to load. Now if the kernel is not selected by default, it will show on the top to select TensorFlow kernel. Always select the kernel as per the lab instruction. Okay, like this you have to select. Now once the kernel is idle, as you can see here, the kernel name is here. Once the kernel is idle, we will execute the next step. So for running it, use this play button. And here one more strategy is also for running the shells. I will share you in this video only, no need to worry about it. Now this lab is little bit lengthy, like little bit not, mostly lengthy. It may take up to 50 to 40 minutes or sometimes even more than 1 hour. So you need to make sure that your internet is properly connected and your laptop does not go on sleep. So you need to just take care of it. You will verify the cell has completed the task. It will show a numeral. Basically it will show 1 2 3 depending on it. You can see here the number 2 is visible here and the kernel status is idle. Now in that case you have to just come down over here and just execute the next command. So you can just use this play button also. Now just select over here. Once selected, click on this run. Selected cells and all below, just click on it. Now make sure your internet is properly connected and your laptop does not go on sleep. Now the next command will take at least 40 to 60 even 120 minutes too. So you need to make sure your internet is properly connected and your laptop does not go on sleep. Basically let this video running, or just you can watch a movie also meanwhile, and just wait till it get completed. I will meet you soon. Now here basically what happens, sometimes you may get the score early or sometimes you need for the kernel to get idle. So you can try both things. I have tested both methods of working, but you can check the score. Go to the lab instructions and check the score like this. You can, if you are unable to get the score, come back here and wait for the kernel to get idle and all tasks get completed. Okay, that's all for today. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.